everyone, this is Sheila. I welcome you all to my channel, and I would like to thank you all for subscribing to my channel and pouring so much of love for my channel. Thank you so much. So let's start today's topic.
Wait! Don't drink that coffee. Your cup has so many chemicals left by your dishwashing liquid, so don't drink it.
So, the story of every kitchen is incomplete without the mention of dishwashing liquids. Commonly used dishwashing gels like Pril, Vim, Dettol and many more have many harmful chemicals in them. Chemicals like triclosan, sodium lauryl sulfate, disodium EDTA, phosphates and many more. Even though you wash your dishes, this dishwashing gel stick to the plates we have washed, and these chemicals enters our body with every next meal we are having and negatively affects our overall health. The chemical used triclosan is an anti-bacterial and antifungal compound, and it is proven that this chemical is adversely affect the powerhouse of our cells. While nothing has been documented yet, but experts say these chemicals are used in different permutations and combinations, along with fragrances, coloring dyes, sodium salts, preservatives. So you can imagine how badly it affects our health, and we definitely don't want that, right? Experts say even after washing the dishes under running water, these chemicals stays on the surfaces of our dishes, and they enter in our body and negatively affect our health in long run. So, what's the solution for it? Is there any solution? Is there any alternative? Remember, earlier Indian households used red or brown colored mud to clean vessels. It was believed that natural elements has power to kill bacteria. But in today's date, where everything is adulterated and polluted, this option is not for us. So what we can do? We can go for herbal dishwashing liquids. There are plenty of them in the market. I'm going to put the links in the description box below. You can check it later on. These herbal dishwashing liquids are free from all these chemicals. And I have personally tried 3 dishwashing liquids, which are Strategi, Natural Life and Rustic, out of which Rustic is my favorite. I'm not promoting any brand, I'm just sharing my experience. So Rustic is my favorite. I like Rustic, so I am using Rustic every day. But others are also really good. You can go for any other herbal dishwashing liquid. So friends, that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed my video. I hope you liked my video. If you like it, then don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe and share. And you guys, stay safe, stay healthy. We'll see you in next video with another topic. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching. Bye. See ya.